Hi guys, this is Steph with the Instrument Cluster Store. Here today we have two different instrument clusters. They are both Dodge Caravans, just different versions in a sort of way. We get a lot of questions about whether the customer's instrument cluster has a display screen or not. If you look at this one, which I have powered up, it shows Fahrenheit, which I'm guessing is your temperature. It will also sometimes show your tire pressure. The cluster without the display screen has a blank gauge. There's no display screen to be shown there. Another way to find out is your part number, as we've talked about in previous videos. It's located on a white label. If you have any other questions, give us a call, 1-800-590-2716. Thanks.